Demo number 36 of the State of the Invade. What I'm working on here is the more of the pathfinding, and it's all about the heuristic of the computation of the x and y on how the endpoint and the starting point meet. And like, if here's the starting point, here's the end point, there's Manhattan values, there's diagonals, there's all kinds of different types of methods of finding a path. And I've chosen this formula, I've chosen a diagonal type movement formula, which is computed with using a maximum mathematic expression called max. It finds the maximum value of two values, and in that way it uses the diagonal. Before I had these two values getting added like here, and with that in there, you'll see how it runs now. Oh, I've also created a load map and save map. I can load up. Watch this. I can delete these walls. Boom. And I've also made it so now I can load them up. There they are. Delete, load, delete, load, delete, load. That was kind of cool. That saved me. I did that with a data file. I've called that the. Let's find it here. I've called that the. I call it a settings.dat. And in this data file, all it is it's a packed record which contains the typed record class. All this data here is all the information that's in the walls. But what that is it's a type I created. I created a setup type, and in there I have saved used walls and a walls count. But using this type variable, I could create other settings to load and save at will. Like, I could save all the bots that are moving, like a save game. I could make my own save game file here, and make different kinds of save modes, like maps and missions and different kind of templates. Settings, personal settings, how many bots you have, or your high scores, stuff like that. But what I'm working on here is the pathfinding. And let's go back to where this is. Let's get some bots out. Now, as you can see, they only move in diagonals. They'll always move in diagonals. That's cool because it seems to work really good. Like, here's an example. Let's spit these out, and let's move them right here. Now, I've never tried this many before, but I bet you they'll all find the path. And look at that. No problem. Let's go directly across, and let's see what happens. No problem, right? Look at that, you know? Let's try inside. Let's see what happens. With that concussion, knocked out of the ball game. Come on, baby. Saw due to come back on Tuesday. Yeah, see, that's good shit. Let's close them in a bit. And let's go over here. Here's an example. It's aired out. Obviously, pathfinding is very limited at this point. On if you guys are trapped, you do have to set up some kind of logic with these bots. They aren't that smart yet, but you know they are getting smarter, and, which is a good thing, because there's a point when they were very stupid, and at least at this point they can actually like walk around and move around walls. They can't attack yet, or they can't search other guys out yet, but that's in the works. But I'm happy at this pathfinding demo because it's somewhat functional, and the beauty behind this is that you know, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna play with these bots to a bigger. I'm gonna make more of them, you know. I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these bots, right? I'm just gonna spit a whole whack of them out. And let's see how it works on lots of bots. And see, obviously it takes to find the pass of 178 bots. It's taking a bit of computing time here, and that is concerning, which makes me want to change the code around or find a simpler way of finding a path. Obviously that took a long time, but it worked, right? And let's make the move right here, see what happens. And in this case, it's all these bots are in the same spot, but the algorithm is getting ran for every bot. In a case like this, since they're on the same XY, I could, in a sense, copy the path and just let all the bots use that same path. But you know what's going to be really cool is I can make it so that these bots use a flocking technique, and they can flock to a certain point. And so that was easy.
But you know, I still have to be home by 10.
Okay, let's make these guys go already. Let's make only a few of them go. Yeah.
Junior J Saturdays starts this Saturday.
So obviously, look how much time it takes. The whole system is kind of like thinking right now. It's thinking too much, actually. But you know, it worked. Look at that. That's cool shit. Okay, that was demo number 36 of the State of the Invade, and that's the demo as of now. If you want to get a hold of me, burndata@hotmail or burndata@xmessage. Thank you. Later.
Looked a little shaky, especially in the second inning.